sure to know you're the first and only apple of God's eye, and would not have you suffer the wheel or beginning of heaven remade or given to you alone. Generations. From the generations, and I saw Abel freed from the ground of Cain's curse, and from the lost 8 children found as the fruit shall inherit the earth. And peace from generations of the past to future generations of its seed planted to the thrust of plow, and spirit who overcomes in transversity and powers all who are humble and pure. Karen from a king's ship to a ferryman of the night named Karen, who was drawn upon the waters. And its firmament as the ram and head of the ship that changes to a head of the goat with horns. And then reborn into the Lamb of heaven, or from the earth stillborn from a creel of water to flesh and spirit reborn, bought and sold from a mark that was lost but found by the hand of God. Tree of life. Grafted from the tree of life, the red dragon is her coil and her slumber, a day that shall arise twice but fall once from the heavens, to be as a nest and birthplace given to pearls of heaven. And a cradle of that